Okay, let's now review our knowledge on how mental emotional problems can affect the yin. Number one, which vital substance is closely related to yin in TCM?
Blood.
Yin is considered the residence and anchor of.
Mind and spirit.
Very good. Which organ's yin is most readily affected by emotional stress?
Heart.
Yin deficiency without empty heat commonly causes.
Depression and fatigue.
Yeah. Yin deficiency with empty heat commonly causes. May empty heat na.
Anxiety,
Anxiety and
insomnia.
insomnia. Heart yin deficiency deprives the mind of its
Residence.
residence. A classic symptom of heart yin deficiency is
Night sweating.
night sweating. Tongue in heart yin deficiency with empty heat.
Ano sa tanga? Red without coating.
Without voting.
Red without coating.
Okay.
Letter C.
Yeah, red without coating. The pulse commonly seen in heart yin deficiency.
Floating empty or rapid.
Okay. Pag deficiency, tinyan siya. Alam, bakit nagdodoble? Ayoko may echo. Alam niyo mo yung tenga ko, I hate Paki-off lang ng isang gadget niyo. Okay. Shin Fan refers to.
Mental
restlessness.
Yes. Pronounce empty heat in heart yin deficiency may cause.
Aggression and impatience.
Okay. So tingnan mabuti yung mga dila, okay?
Sobrang
Pag masyadong impatient, very aggressive, look at the tongue. Okay. Yun na. Liver yin is the residence of the. Oh. Liver yin deficiency commonly causes
Dry eye.
dry eyes. A patient with liver yin deficiency may experience.
Floating sensation.
Okay, sinong nakaka-relate?
Di pa.
Severe liver empty heat may result in.
Light manic.
Okay, slight pa lang naman. Pero pag na-involve na ang heart niyan, diba? So, manic. Kidney yin is associated with.
Willpower and memory.
Kidney yin deficiency commonly causes.
Great exposure.
Which symptom is common in kidney yin deficiency?
Tinnitus.
The empty heat from kidney yin deficiency affects the
Mind.
mind. Very good. Kasi kidney heart. Lung yin is the residence of the. Yeah. Lung yin deficiency commonly causes.
Dry cough.
Dry cough.
Emotionally, lung yin deficiency may lead to.
Loneliness.
Loneliness and frequent weeping.
No, pati boses parating iyakin, no? Spleen yin is associated with.
Intellect.
Yes, intellect. Spleen yin deficiency may cause.
Dry
stools.
A mental emotional symptom of spleen yin deficiency.
Poor
concentration.
Kaya tingnan nyo yung mga nyo, hindi nagpe-perform sa school, no? You might want to tonify or nourish the yin. Excessive worry primarily affects which organs?
Liver and gallbladder.
Yeah.
Spleen and heart.
Spleen and heart.
Okay.
Okay. Chronic stress may progress saan ditong tama?
Stress, sleep, deficiency.
Stress ka, magkukos ng heat, so magiging yin deficient ka. Long-term grief mainly injures
Lung yin.
lung yin, kaya ubo ka na ubo. Fear and insecurity primarily affect the
Kidney.
A common sign of kidney yin depletion is
Premature aging.
Premature
older than your age, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya move on na. Okay. Which symptom is characteristic of heart yin deficiency?
Red tape tongue.
Liver yin deficiency often develops from prolonged nauubos sa yin. Common symptom of liver yin deficiency.
Tremors.
So papunta na to sa wind. Okay? Which symptom is common in lung yin deficiency?
Dry cough.
Emotional stress first commonly causes
Chi stagnation.
chi stagnation. Chi stagnation may eventually generate
Heat.
okay. A common sign of yin damage is
Night sweats.
which pulse commonly indicates yin deficiency?
Floating
Floating
empty.
empty.
A classic tongue sign of yin deficiency.
Red tongue with scanty cold.
Antico. Which treatment principle is appropriate for emotional yin damage?
Nourish.
Nourish the yin. Which treatment principle helps emotional agitation from yin deficiency?
Calm the shen.
Calm the shin.
From the Shen. Which channel is commonly used in treating yin deficiency from emotional stress?
Kidney.
Yeah. Heart 7 is commonly used to
Calm the shin.
Calm the shen.
kidney 3 primarily nourishes
Yin.
kidney yin.
Yin.
Spleen 6 is valuable because it influences
3 yin.
3 yin. Kaya tinawag na San Yin Qiao.
Yin.
PC6 is commonly used for
Calming the mind.
yes. Which lifestyle advice supports yin?
Meditation.
Meditation. Which dietary approach supports the yin?
Yin
Diet.
Emotional suppression may eventually lead to
Consumption of
Consumption of
yin.
tatanda ka pala, no? Mauubos yung yin mo. Fatigue with restlessness is a classic sign of
Yin deficiency.
wow, congratulations everyone for doing great.